Hi and welcome to this course on HTML and CSS. Now, the one thing I always find in common with many training courses, not just in HTML but in all kinds of computer programming languages or other tools in fact, but the one thing that is in common is they theorize, or they go through all the theory first, and personally that frustrates me. Personally, I just want to get going. I just want to start doing hands-on stuff. So my thought in this course and what this course is about is that we do all that interesting things up front, create a web page like this one that's on the page now. There's me, by the way. And we do all that first. We actually create something, and then we look at a little bit of the theory after we've created, sort of the theory to reinforce the creation. So we create something and then we look at the theory, and that way I feel you get to know and understand a little bit more about the process, about the code, because what you're doing is you're actually writing it, you're creating it, you're playing around with it, and then you afterwards look up, oh well, that's what that command does, etc. The kind of theory is there to back up what you've already learned. So that's what this course is. That's what this course is about. My name is Sean. As I say, you can see me there. I've been in software development for, well, too many years. I've done many different languages. I started back creating web pages in 1994. So I've been creating them for many years. And in this course, I'm going to give you a good introduction into creating your own web page. HTML5 and CSS3 are great tools. They allow you to easily create content for your web page. In fact, HTML5 is the easiest HTML that's been out ever, in my personal opinion. So, without further ado, let's get on to that first lecture and start creating something.